Well, we've been dealing with the lightning and thunder showers moving in, most of it northwest and north of it, 73, and the winds have dropped down a bit. Waco was in at 70 with calm winds. Now we are going to tomorrow morning still possibly have an isolated thunderstorm. This is just a slight chance. I think they'll be moving out and then we'll end them as we move through the day. Now we've been watching everything develop. We've had a cold front that moved in, and then a dry line, we developed these thunderstorms down here. And one thing that's helping us, your normal steering currents on these have been to bring these things up, over, and around. That's why we've seen so much activity in here and all the significant flooding vicinity I-45 and southeast. But what we're doing now is this system moves to the east, it forces the flow pattern more to the north and northeast. So we've seen some of these early showers trying to get into central Texas move to the northeast as this moves to the east. Now we're under the severe thunderstorm watch, but out in the Concho Valley, there's still a tornado watch that's been extended. This is the area I would watch because the steering currents from here are from west to east, but these showers have to come across the Balcones Ridge, and that bit of terrain lift may sap some of the energy. My thought process is the lightning danger and the heavy rains. The heavy rains will decrease visibility, create the ponding puddling, lead to hydroplaning, of course the flooding. We're so saturated. So I think we're going to see most of these move on up. We've done pretty good in the area. We did have that flooding reported out at Hamilton. Now these things will be moving through. Now this model shows them out of here. I went ahead and went a little pessimistic and kept some leftovers because of what's going to be coming in from the west and then tracking to the northeast. But we should start the morning generally in the 60s, and then we'll still have some showers to contend with as we move midday. But that, I think, is going to be just about it. We'll look at the skies opening up. We'll be in the 60s and 70s. The sustained winds we've been getting now have been light, except up here where we've got the thunderstorms. You can see 26 there and a little bit stronger, 26 Goldthwaite and Hamilton. The wind gusts have only been out to 39. The strongest I've seen is about 45. So we'll take a low about 66, top out at 78. The thunderstorms, I kept them isolated in the morning, then ended them. Southeast winds 5 to 15. Then we're going to go with fog here. Now Tuesday morning we may have a little fog as well, but Monday's going to be a pretty nice day. We'll have fog and clouds, decreasing clouds, 68 and 83, south wind 10 to 15. Here, when we go to this southwest wind and strong, we're going to advect in dry air that heats rapidly. So the numbers start getting up there. We'll do that again, 89. We'll flirt with 90 on Wednesday, south gusty wind. Then we get into Thursday, a few more clouds. We'll start to bring the temperature down as we moisten the atmosphere. We may see a stray shower, but the front will go through Thursday night. We get a front, bring the temperature down just a little bit.